Hello, and welcome back to Hagan's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. Today we're going to be covering the assignment of benefits. This is a document that allows the medical providers to go out and collect your bills and arbitrate if necessary. In addition to discussing the assignment of benefits and what you need to have in there and what you need to do, we'll also be covering our featured monthly provider, who this month is Northeast Spine and Wellness Center. And then finally, we'll be picking our winner for next month. So as spring is only a few weeks away, let's spring into action and get this going. One of the first things a medical provider should do upon seeing a new patient is get signed what's called an assignment of benefits. This allows you as a medical provider to go after, collect the bills from the insurance company, particularly in this case, auto insurance PIP. You should have a clear assignment of benefits completely filled out and signed by the patient on that first visit. This way you'll be able to bill the insurance carrier, get paid by the insurance carrier, dispute any issues, and eventually take it to arbitration. This has become a hot contested issue lately, with defense counsel attempting to argue that the assignment of benefits is invalid and therefore you can't proceed as a medical provider. So I want to talk to you what the law requires, what you should have in the form, and what you should be doing. So the law says there must be clear evidence of the intent to transfer the patient's rights, and that the subject matter must be described sufficiently to make it capable of being readily identified. Well, what does that mean? Well, the assignment should have the name of the provider clearly on it. It should also clearly have the name of the patient. In addition, it should be signed and dated by the patient. In the assignment, it should detail that it's assigning the benefits along with the payments. It should also assign the rights and benefits under the insurance policy. And then finally, there should be some type of authorization to file insurance claims, arbitrations, and litigation if needed. Now, in addition to this, carriers are also arguing they want to see the name of the insurance carrier, the date of the accident, and some will argue even the claim number. To be safe, by all means, you should be putting it in there. It's questionable whether it's clearly required to make it meet the law of being able that there's a clear intent to transfer the rights and that it's sufficient to describe the subject matter. I also suggest you have a verbiage in there that specifically asks for the consent of the insurance carrier to the assignment. This way they can't ignore it initially and then later argue that they never consented. Another good thing to do is have an alternate, what I call a limited power of attorney or a limited special power of attorney, just for covering those services that are outstanding and that the patient received from you. This is in case if the assignment should be found voided. You should have in there a release of records in case you need medical records from the insurance carrier or from other providers. This way it's all covered in one document. I can certainly provide you a sample, if I haven't already, a sample assignment of benefits that I've recommended over the years, and actually I'm maybe tweaking now to add, just to be safe, to add the name of the insurance company, the date of accident, and the claim number. If you need to, reach out to me at 732-722-2911 and request a copy. I can send it to you electronically, or you can email me at sean@seanhaganlaw.com. We're always here to answer your PIP questions, assist you in issues that might come up on your files. One of the other thing I would suggest, a lot of times you have these forms and it's so quick to get it signed at the initial visit or at some time that it doesn't get completely filled out. And that's often an argument and a defect that they'll argue. So make sure you're filling it out. Make sure the name's there. Make sure it's signed. Make sure it's dated. And any information that's needed to be filled in is in fact filled in. Additionally, make sure to send it to the insurance carrier. I suggest you send it with your first notice to them. This way it puts them on notice, and if they want to dispute it, they have to raise it. Save proof that you sent it to them. Now, some insurance carriers require their own conditional assignment of benefits, and they're often very detailed. Some examples of this, I believe State Farm does, Pliga, but several insurance companies have their own. I suggest you get both of them filled out and signed. Your own assignment, but also just in case their conditional one. In addition, I recommend you mark, if you're billing on HCFAs, there's a separate box to mark that this is being billed on assignment of benefits. This further puts them on notice that there's a valid assignment of benefits. If you meet these criteria, you're going to protect yourself in terms of being able to bill, get paid, and eventually arbitrate if needed. It's a shame to lose an arbitration because you didn't fill out an assignment of benefits correctly or you didn't have the proper verbiage. So again, if you need something, a sample, we're more than happy to provide one. Just reach out to us. So I hope that was informative in terms of the assignment of benefits, and it helps clean up your process to make it safer for you and so you can get paid by the insurance carrier. Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about last month's winner, who is Northeast Spine and Wellness Center. They're located at 1043 Raritan Road in Clark, New Jersey. It's a beautiful facility. It's a multidiscipline practice where they work together for complete health care. So it can help get you better when you're injured, either in an accident, fall down, however you become injured. But it's also a wellness center to help you keep and maintain your healthy self, and in terms of weight control, in terms of just being in proper alignment, building up your natural immune system. They have multiple specialties, including medical providers, chiropractors, and physical therapists. The practice is led by Dr. Jay Paris and Dr. Rich Ryan, but they have a full staff of other doctors, both medical and chiropractic, along with physical therapists. They can be reached at 732-827-0800. You can also go to their website, nespincenter.com, and you can email them at info@nespincenter.com. On their site, you can click onto a page and actually schedule an appointment through there. So either way, call them, email them, or contact them through their website. They'd be happy to provide wonderful service to you. And they provide a whole host because they're a multidisciplinary site. Well, congratulations again, Northeast Spine, and I look forward to seeing you soon and working with you. And now let's get to this month's winner. So as you may be aware, if you're part of the Hagan Professional Information Network program, anytime you send us a correspondence, either a telephone call, an email, a letter, in the mail, however, you got a question, you have documents you need to give us, demands for filing for arbitration, anytime you communicate with us, we put you in for the drawing, and in each month we select one medical provider to be highlighted in the following month. The program, I think, is going well. I hope you find it informative in terms of finding out these medical providers throughout the state. So this month's winner is New Jersey Imaging Network. Congratulations. I'll be contacting you shortly so I can get some more details for next month's video where you'll be highlighted. Now, if you didn't win this month, there's always next month, so keep those letters, correspondence, and demands for arbitration coming, and we'll be happy to include you. Well, we hope you enjoyed our discussion of the assignment of benefits and what you need to be doing to protect your rights. And additionally, it was great seeing and hearing about Northeast Spine and Wellness Center, and congratulations to next month's winner. If you found this video helpful, useful, informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the link before. As always, we're never too busy for your kind PIP and personal injury referrals. Thank you, and God bless.